Hey you guys, Thelushdiva here, back like I never left with another wig review. So today, if I can find the stupid calling card. So today we have our Sensantionnel Cloud 9 Wet Lace collection wig in style Janelle. So as you can see, this is a long, straight, pretty classic style wig. It does come in a variety of colors, and for this wig, they also have this flamboyage series, which is like a mix of balayage and ombre, and it's kind of pretty. Sorry, my eyes are like killing me. I had to put my glasses on. So the main things that I want to point out about this wig is that it does come with a pre-plucked illusion lace hairline. So if you look right here, it does come pre-plucked in the front. The main thing that I want to point out about this wig right away is that it has ear-to-ear lace, and it does have a huge lace parting area right in the middle. You guys, this is a pre-plucked natural hairline, and so it's really meant to mimic those really expensive fancy lace wigs that everybody's gluing to their forehead right about now. Yeah, it's supposed to be one of those, except at a synthetic level at an affordable price, and I think they have it spot on. So today, I'm not really rambling. I'm doing pretty good. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how I glue it down for my first time ever on camera. And I'm gonna show you guys how I style it, and then I'll let you know if it's worth your money. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay, so before I attempt to put this wig on my head, let me just go ahead and give you guys a little bit of details about the unit. You guys know this is the wet lace, and so it has an ear-to-ear sort of frontal closure, and then it also has a very, very wide parting space. You can part this middle part, side part, side part. You have more than enough space and area. It's got that good, very soft, pliable lace all the way through the middle of that part. This unit does come pre-plucked. That means that it's not like that thick, chunky, normal wig hairline. It does look very, very natural when you put it on. This wig does come with a little bit of baby hair. I don't know if they intended that to be baby hair. Maybe I accidentally cut it off, but there are some shorter hairs in the front of that unit that will make it a little bit more easier to like blend with your hairline and make it look like baby hair. This unit also has 2 clips on the side of the wig. Since I'm going to be gluing this wig down today, I don't think I'm going to put the clips. This wig is fairly big head friendly. I would say this wig is average head friendly. I don't want to say that it's not big head friendly because my head fits in here just great. But I haven't worn this wig without gluing it down. And so with the other sensational wigs that I've worn without gluing them down, they do tend to slide back because like the cap kind of shrinks up. I don't know if this one would do the same, but I do know that I did, to make this wig more comfortable, I did take off the tab. So I guess I should go ahead and say that it's not big head friendly, but if you do have a big head, you can make it work. You just won't be able to use the tightening tabs, and you'll probably need to use a wig grip or go ahead and glue this wig down. Since this is more of like a frontal wig, you definitely want to glue this wig down to get the full effect. If you just put it on, it looks fine, but you're gonna have issues with maybe the sliding back or it staying in place. So I would go ahead and glue this down. This wig is in a color 1B, and the style of this wig is just straight, silky straight. It's very medium thickness. It's not too heavy. And that kind of helps with the naturalness. If you have like straight wigs that are super, super thick, they tend to not look as natural as they could. I have worn this wig twice, and I'm already getting some shedding and tangling in the back. That is the expected with a synthetic wig. But it does have a very silky texture. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig with my Got To Be glued. I have never done this on camera before. I've only done it twice before in real life. So y'all just pray for me, but I'm gonna show you guys at a beginner's level how I get this wig to lay down. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of styling, and then we'll be back.
Gangsters on the beat.
Y'all know I despise baby hair, and so I can't believe I'm doing this right now, but I have to get this wig looking right for y'all, so do not call me a hypocrite. I'm about to cut some baby hair on this wig. Wish me luck.
Gangsters on the beat.
So now that we got the wig on, you guys can see that this is an incredible ear-to-ear lace for a $40 synthetic wig. I did get this wig on sale online for about $40, and I will put the link below. The hair is really silky, it's really smooth. However, it does shed. I mean, I've only worn this one or two other times, and it gets a lot of shedding, and it is getting some tangling. So you guys, this is not an everyday wig. This is a wig to have in your arsenal for like if you know you're gonna like have to super slay like 1 or 2 times a month, and you can bust this out. But if you wear this wig every day, she's gonna be done in 2 weeks. Okay, the hair is gonna shed out. It's gonna get tangly. It's just not meant to be worn that way. It's meant to give you a really high quality look with the lace, a really natural dupe look with the lace as far as frontals go, and then you know you be done with it. One thing that I really like about this wig is that the part is so changeable. You could really do this like half up, half down, side part, ponytail. You can really do a lot with the area of lace that they give you, and it just looks so natural, and it looks just like, you know, black girl hair with a perm. It looks really good. This hair, I like the look because it kind of reminds me of like a schoolgirl look, like especially with the glasses. It's just really like cute and flirty. It's very classic. It's just like a very classic, you can't go wrong straight wig. So all in all, my final review of this wig, would I recommend it? I would definitely recommend this if you guys are someone who's a beginner with gluing lace, because this already has the pre-plucked. You can part it any way. It's got the pre-lightened lace, and so it's really hard to mess up, even for somebody like me who doesn't regularly glue their wigs down. Like, you can really just glue this down and have a look, and it's really good to practice on. The hair is, you know, it's on point for a synthetic wig. It's not super high quality. It's not super low quality. Is it going to last forever? No, but it's really going to give you a certain look that you're going for. It's a great dupe, and if you're able to get it on sale at the $40 price range like I did, I mean, it's amazing, because these wigs are usually like $60, $80, and they're well worth the $60, $80. With the way that the lace and the parting come, I would definitely pay $60 for a wig like this, but I'm so glad that I got it for $40. You guys, I know that was a super long video, but thank you guys so much for sticking in there with me. Please let me know how you think I did on my first time with gluing down this wig, full glam style. Let me know and give me any of your tips to make this process easier for me. You guys, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I always appreciate you guys' support. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later.